Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this glass jar and glass candle holder, both from Dollar Tree. I removed the lid and take this wooden dowel cap that I got from Hobby Lobby, add Gorilla Grip Glue as well as hot glue onto the bottom of that dowel cap and place it centered on the lid. I then paint the candle holder as well as that lid and dowel with Plaster color chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. Next, I'm taking burnt umber acrylic paint, that's by Apple Barrel, and I'm using a baby wipe and I'm distressing the candle holder as well as the lid. I just brush it on different areas and then kind of blend it in with the baby wipe just so it's not so dark. After that's on there and dried, I take matte varnish by Waverly and I give a coat of that to the candle holder as well as the lid. Next, I add those two glues to a small tree that I got from Dollar Tree. Place that in the glass jar. I take the Snowman figure I got from Hobby Lobby and place that in there as well. I was going to use that small truck I had right there, but the sizing wasn't right, so I didn't end up using it. I then add some faux snow into the jar that I got from Dollar Tree. Put back on the lid and set that aside. I take some different pieces of greenery and red berries and hot glue that to what will be the front of the candle holder. I also will be adding a small pine cone to that, as well as some different greenery that I added on later after the video was done. And then add Gorilla Grip glue only to the top of the candle holder and then place down the glass jar, making sure it's centered, and then let that set for 24 hours. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.